Hello students, today we will talk about music. Music is not a sound only, music is a pleasant sensation with appropriate vibration. Music is a combination of three arts, that is vocal music, instrumental music and dance. Now vocal music also consists of three type of arts. It's a classical vocal music, semi-classical music and folk music. Same as dance consists three type of arts: classical dance, semi-classical dance and folk dance. Now we will talk about instrumental music. Do you know there are so many types of instruments and there are so many sounds in that instruments? That's why our personalities create so many instruments. We are categorized these instruments in five categories. First is percussion instrument, that is tabla, dholak, naal, pakhavat, etc. Second is string instruments, that is guitar, violin, sitar, etc. Third is wind instruments, flute, recorder, trumpet, etc. And solid instruments is manjira, piano, kartal, and so on. And fifth category is electric instruments. In this category, we can add synthesizer, octopad, bass guitar, electric guitar, and so many electric instruments. They are produce sound by the amplifier, sound box. Okay. Now, your first assignment is this. You can write more example of these instruments. Like percussion instruments, there are three example I will give you. You can write down 10 more example of percussion instruments. Like tabla, dholak, you can add more 10 examples. In string instruments, you can add more 10 examples. Wind instrument, you can add 10 more examples and so on. Now, uh, mm, I am also characteristics. I will also describe the characteristic of different type of instrument that is so easy for you to identify them. Just like percussion instruments is round in shape, hollow inside, membrane on top, and played with hands, leg, and sticks. And string instruments, they have long body, fretboards, tuning keys, and played by finger, bow, and plectrum. String instruments have two categories, Tatvad and Vitatvad. In Tatvad, we can pick the strings with the plectrum or fingers. But in Vitatvad, we can play the instrument with the bow only. In wind instrument, they are pipe shape, but except harmonium and accordion, they are in box shape. Tuning with opening cues and holes, and reed must they are reed inside and played with mouth, finger, and the wind pressure is so important for the wind instrument. Fourth is solid instruments. In this instrument, two solids. Again, I am repeating two solid when they beat each other. Yeah, collision is necessary for the produce a sound. In this solid instrument, we can beat the instrument, we can hit the instrument with the stick or with the hand. Fifth category, the electric instrument. It is operated by the electric, battery, and so on. But in electric instrument, there is one thing is necessary, that is speaker, sound box, amplifier. Otherwise, the sound did not produce. Okay. Now, the assignment is same as you can write down these notes on your music notebook if you want, and write down the 10 more example of each category of the instruments. Okay, thank you so much.